Welcome to Ohio Renaissance Festival Fantasy Weekend, and welcome to the results of getting here around noon, which I never ever do. But I had a very important event in our town with a grand opening of something that's been in the works for like 30 years. It's like, nope, I had to attend that. So I come down, waiting in long lines just to get into the park. Pretty wild. But I'm parked here using my pass. I don't know where I'm really supposed to park, but they pointed me down this way and it got me a little closer to the gate. By a little, I mean a lot closer than where there's some outer 40 out there, outer 80. But now I'm looking. I come up towards the one and turn right. Got it. Okay. Hopefully I'll remember that. Wonder what these signs say. I really have no idea. Oh, for handicap parking, to do additional handicap here. Okay. Well, I wasn't in this section, but I was in a previous. I think we would have went straight, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I should have went down to that parking down there. That's our parking, as I'm looking way down there. I didn't really know because I never ever use it. I'm normally here super early, so I'm in a very front spot anyways. But it's fine. This is really close. No complaints. Time for some pictures. So it's a never-ending stream of people. Wild. This is what it looks like to get here later. Very funny. Well, not very odd to me. But let's head on down. Are they waiting for bathrooms?
Did you
Maybe.
see what I sent you with that?
Hey, one thing. Got some time to talk to Judy down here, who always seemed to get here before her. So we'll go check out and say hi to Judy first, and we'll head on in. Today'll be a different day. Every day's a different day. Well, looks like she's sold out. She might not even be here. Which I'm not surprised sold out because, yeah. Look at all the people. That's something. Let's see if she's in her van. She might be in there sleeping. I'm not sure. And then we'll head in. And like I mentioned before, costume rentals are here. Let's see if she's hanging out. Had a great talk with Judy Scooties, and she sold out. Her problem is she needs more inventory. But it's a good deal for the people. Now, it's interesting. It's such a great day. Such a great day. All right. Let's head on in. Let's see. You can see the people in line here. Valley of Cincinnati. What we got here? Ah. Well, look at that. Well, I was going to go visit someone first, but then I remembered I need to get my bracer attached to me. So let me go down to AC5 and let them hook me up. Fantasy. So we will see a lot of cool outfits, but we're going to see them all the time anyways. People are always dressed up differently. Popcorn smells good. Oh, what? Excuse me. A far different walk. And this is the start of how we will really see. Very busy now, and it will stay busy. Okay. All right, let's come on in here. Oh, we're catching the parade again. Did he cut a pumpkin thing and make it a hat? He did, and that is awesome.
You were shooting marshmallows with that. Okay.
Yes, it's a marshmallow. All right, we're back to walking the paths. We'll see who we see. We keep running into people, which is cool. That might be today. Hello, hello.
Oh, I'm literally looking.
And like I said, we're running into people. I just got here. Oh, she said, this is why you like fair, right?
Yeah.
You just love them, right? You got the pretty girl. I'm just saying. You know, I know y'all wish you were me. You do. And it's okay. It's all right. There you go. So, and this is what I put on recording later. All right, we're walking again. So here's a flower. It's going to a lovely young lady. I've already ran into 100 other lovely young ladies, but I already had it in my mind who it was for. And because I put it in my mind, that's where it's going. We're on our way to Jerusalem Coffee. Hopefully she's there. Trying to remember to take a winch photo at 2:40. This is definitely going to be a hyper chilled day. It feels so good, people. This is a great day to walk the paths. I think 70 is like the high temperature for today. 71, something low like that. I honestly need to buy some weapons this year. I think I will. But not now. That's something at the end of the day. Oh, we have another flower girl.
You would like another flower?
No, I already got from Bree. Thank you, oh honey. I know. I'm like, there's another flower girl.
I mean, there's at least two of us.
Yes. Bree, and what's your name, honey?
Oh, Pixie.
Pixie.
I'm new
So
this year.
be sure to buy some flowers from Pixie as well, because look at.
Because we got.
Now, hang on. Well, I got a second flower to give away. Okay. Still making our way to the first person.
Yeah, we'll run into you guys.
Oh. The mud show? The mud show people are way up here? That's pretty good, man. He cleaned up pretty well after the first.
Somewhere, you know.
Mud show.
Oh my goodness, look at the lines up there. Jerusalem Cafe. Oh goodness. Oh, good. I don't look, hopefully the lines ain't too bad there. They might be.
On colony for a few years when I was a young boy, and eventually I was on a Leprechaun basketball team. And it's like, he slammed dunk in his little green goose. Watch out, boy! You're you're too big, you got to go, you got to go. And so eventually I got kicked out of Leprechaun colony for just being too tall. Well, I learned a lot of interesting things about leprechauns during my time there with them. And something very interesting about leprechauns that most people don't know is the leprechaun's name is actually a recipe on how to make that particular kind of leprechaun. Because my friends, leprechauns are not born, no. They are brewed. Oh, this is where that sounds etiquette, okay? So whenever someone oohs or ahs, we all ooh and ahs together, okay? So leprechauns are not born, they are brewed. Yes, that's right. So supposedly, you take those particular ingredients and stir in a very particular kind of pot, in a very particular direction, in a very particular phase of the moon, poof, you get that particular kind of leprechaun. You know, I'm not inherently leprechaun, leprechauns got me in leprechaun regardless.
The lines to get food are extensive. It's what time is it? It's around 1 o'clock. So be sure if you come here and you really want to eat, you should actually eat by 11. That's my next small tip for you. Then you have the food and you don't have the long lines. I think we're going to make our way to the orphan tent, get some drink. Yes. And be oh so thankful. Like I said, lines. Up on lines. It's very funny how the people don't come for opening weekend when it's so light. I don't know, just I guess maybe because it says opening weekend and there doesn't sound exciting like, you know, this weekend. Oh, Mooney's back. He's on stage. Last week we had, or last time we had the Pickle-ish show, a very limited show.
Quit jumping in front of me.
Now, we're not going to stop right now, though. We're going to go and chill. We'll see what shows we catch today, if any. you're actually looking for someone here, good luck. You better have her number. Come up with a meeting place. The odds of actually half stance running past them is not exactly great.
He just wants to make ultra. He's like, where's that?
Knife throwing show, getting ready to start at the Revelry stage. Once again, we're moving on. Thanks everyone for watching the 2025 Ohio Renaissance Festival series and joining me for Fantasy Weekend. New videos are coming out daily, so don't miss them. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and don't forget to like, comment, and share to help others find it. I post videos from events and things to do all around Miamisburg and beyond, so come back anytime to see what's new. I'm Miamisburg Jay, sharing real people, real places, and real stories. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.